Welcome back to Psychology Facts channel. Today we're revealing 3 powerful psychological buttons that can make any man emotionally addicted to you in the healthiest and most beautiful way. These aren't cheap manipulation tricks. They are based on real male psychology, attachment theory, and what actually creates deep, lasting emotional bonds. When you learn to press these buttons naturally, you don't have to chase love anymore. The right man starts feeling you in his soul and doesn't want to let you go. The first psychological button is genuine respect and admiration. Men are wired to crave respect even more than love in many situations. When a woman truly respects a man, his efforts, his strength, his decisions, and how he shows up in the world, it touches something very deep inside him. This isn't fake flattery or ego stroking. It's authentic appreciation for who he is as a man. Tell him you respect how he handled a difficult situation at work. Notice when he takes care of something for you and acknowledge it specifically. Most women focus only on physical attraction or affection, but the rare women who master genuine respect create an emotional bond that most men have never experienced before. He feels valued, seen, and respected in a way that makes him want to protect and cherish you forever. The second powerful button is creating true emotional safety. In today's stressful world, men carry enormous pressure to be strong, successful, and emotionally controlled all the time. The woman who becomes his safe place, where he can share his fears, doubts, or vulnerabilities without being judged or criticized, becomes incredibly special to him. When he opens up to you, listen with empathy instead of immediately trying to fix him or making him feel weak. Hold space for his emotions. This emotional safety is one of the rarest and most addictive experiences for a man. Attachment theory shows that when a man feels emotionally safe with a woman, his love deepens dramatically because he finally has someone he can be completely real with. He doesn't just want you. He needs you in his life. The third button is triggering his hero instinct by making him feel needed and capable. Men have a strong biological drive to protect, provide, and be the hero for the woman they love. When you let him help you, ask for his advice on important matters, and show him that his presence genuinely makes your life better and safer, you activate something ancient in his psychology. Thank him specifically for the things he does. Let him see how he makes you feel cherished and protected. This isn't about being helpless. It's about giving him opportunities to step up and feel important in your world. The men who feel like heroes in their woman's life become deeply committed and emotionally addicted because fulfilling this instinct gives them purpose and joy. When these 3 psychological buttons, respect, emotional safety, and the hero instinct, are pressed consistently and genuinely, something magical happens. The man doesn't just feel attracted to you. He feels you in his soul. He thinks about you when you're not around. He wants to build a future with you. He becomes protective, loyal, and completely invested. This is why some women seem to have men who would move mountains for them, while others struggle to keep a man interested. It's not luck or looks alone. It's understanding male psychology and showing up as the woman who fulfills his deepest emotional needs. Of course, this works best when it's mutual and authentic. The strongest relationships happen when both partners naturally bring out the best in each other. But if you want to create that rare, soul-deep connection with a man, mastering these 3 buttons gives you a real advantage that most women never discover. Start applying them gradually in your interactions. Show genuine respect daily. Create emotional safety by listening without judgment. Give him opportunities to be your hero and celebrate when he steps up. You'll notice his behavior, attention, and emotional investment changing in powerful ways. Women who understand these psychological buttons don't chase men. They become the woman that high-quality men naturally want to commit to and never lose. It's not about changing who you are. It's about expressing your feminine energy in a way that speaks directly to his heart and soul. So tell me in the comments, which of these 3 psychological buttons are you going to focus on first? Have you seen respect or the hero instinct create deeper love in your own relationships? Share your honest experiences. I read every comment, and this community always has meaningful discussions. If you enjoyed this psychology video on love and male emotions, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss new videos that help you create the deep, loving relationship you deserve. Thanks for watching until the end. You now have powerful tools to create emotional addiction in the healthiest way. Use them with love and authenticity, and watch how beautifully your connections transform. Take care of your heart, and I'll see you in the next video.